So do you want to be in Frisco, Texas, in one of the best master plan communities? Well, stay tuned because we're going to show you.
I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
And today we are right in the heart of Frisco, Texas, and one of our favorite and probably I would say the best brand new community, master plan community right here in the heart of Frisco.
Yep.
And that is
The Grove.
The Grove.
Yeah.
And we're going to show you around, kind of do all the tours and all that good stuff. And then we're going to get into one of our favorite builders, American Legend. Mm-hmm. And American Legend has two products. They have a 55-foot wide and 65-foot wide. The model that we're going to be touring is in the 65, and it starts around $650. But you can get into the Grove in Frisco with everything that it has to offer for the mid-4s, and then on up.
Yep.
So,
and the Grove's a cool place. It's got a lot of neat amenities in it. We've got pools and a little cafe, and then you've got like plenty of areas for kids to play sports and things like that. They've got like a little hammocking area, playgrounds, dog park, all kinds of cool stuff. So,
if this is your first time on our channel, we are local real estate agents here and specialize in Frisco, Texas. And so make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're alerted every time we do a video. We do 2 or 3 videos a week on what it's like to live, work, and play in this great area.
We do. And don't forget to give us a call, text, or email. Whatever you got to do to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us.
And also, don't forget to get that dream home form started on the link below in the comments, and then we'll get you started on your home search.
Yep, absolutely.
So we'll see you on the flip side.
Okay, here we go.
All right, guys, so here we are, American Legend model in the Grove in good old Frisco, Texas. Now, this is on their 65-foot wide product, so it's going to be a little wider than the 55, obviously. But this particular house is $648 base price. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and are right around that 3,400 square feet. So we are right at the entrance. So right when you come in, to your right is the garage and then utility area. With a powder bath and then a downstairs ensuite secondary bedroom. I love the big tall windows. It does have a walk-in closet. As you come in, this is your study. Now you're gonna have to ignore this part because this is your 3rd car garage. So your single bay would be here. They have it set up as a sales office, but anyway, just so you know, this is your dining area, again with tons of natural light coming in, and it just feeds right into your living space, which is really cool. So it's just really good entertaining home, good entertaining space. You've got your fireplace, sliding doors. Within this model, they have a pool. You can see the patio space, really good size. And then check out this kitchen. Love what they did here with the gray cabinets all throughout. Nice quartz, upscale appliances. I mean, this is just decked out. And let's check out the snack closet. Decent sized snack closet. Let's go check out the primary. I love how it's off of the living space, but you kind of have some separation here. I love that part of it. You come on in, really good size master. One of the things that I think it's missing, what I think would be, I know all of our clients love to do, is put in the beams. The beams in this cathedral ceiling would really make it jump.
Even one just straight across would be nice too.
But look at all the windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows covering the whole wall. Just brings in a ton of natural light, which is awesome. And then look at this ensuite. Dual sinks on either side, separated in the middle with a tub. You've got a really good sized shower, a linen closet, and then here is your primary walk-in closet. Really good size. Now we're gonna go upstairs. All right, here we are on the landing as you come up the stairs. Check out this game area. Definitely pool size available, or pool size. You got your
Pool table size.
Definitely pool table size.
But it'd be cool to have a pool up here.
But I mean, can you imagine the possibilities by putting a pool up here? I mean, how awesome would that be? Now that's an upgrade.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go check out the media room. I love how the media room is completely separate, so you can be up here watching a movie, kids can still be sleeping and you're not going to disturb them. Really good size.
It's pretty dark in here, but...
It is dark in here, but I mean, it gives you kind of a... It is dark in here, but it kind of gives you a good sense of the space. Yeah. I would say, what would you say the size is, babe?
10 by 15?
It's probably about like a 12 by 15. Here's another secondary bedroom. It's got a shared bath. Look at this extra space right here. Instead of having one of those annoying plant shelves over the front door, they utilize the space as kind of a secondary little office space or homework station for one of the kiddos' bedrooms. So again, these are the sort of things that you're seeing in a lot of the newer developments and the newer models that are using the space very wisely. And here's the secondary bedroom upstairs. Really good size again. And this one has its own bathroom and walk-in closet.
So we hope you've enjoyed the tour of this American Legend home and the Grove. And don't forget to give us a call, text, or email. Whatever you got to do to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us.
Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.